Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yeni Fatmawati. I'm from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan Husada Jombang. I will be presented my research is the title The Effectiveness of Crow Carton Paper and Annona muricata Lives Toward Leukory in Hormonal Contraception Receptor in the Working Area of Regional Public Service Agencies of Public Health Center in Tembelan. The complaints of leukorrhea are often experienced by some women. Leukorrhea is one of the early signs of the health problem in internal female reproductive that can impact cervical cancer. Pre-experimental research design with two groups present and post-test design. The research subject with vaginal wash treatment using red petal mixed with source of leaves decoction and 30 research subject with vaginal wash treatment using source of leaf decoction. The place of research was at Midwifery Independent Practice of Nikan Kinesi and Husnul Habibah. The research was carried out on 15 August until 15 September 2020. The samples were taken by using provosive sampling technique. The independent variable was vaginal wash treatment using red petal and source of leaf decoction. The independent variable is leukorrhea, the research instrument used by the observation sheet, and the data were analyzed by using the t-test. The t-test of two treatment was statistically significant with p-value is less than 0.001, where the caution of pipercocatum and Annona muricata ellipse was 77% effective in curing complaint of leukorrhea, while the Annona muricata L decoction was 70%. It is important to provide the education of the benefit of natural medicine derived from herbal plant whose side effects are relatively safe for the body. Leukorrhea should not be underestimated because it can cause seriously problems in the internal female reproductive organ. In Indonesia, the prevalence of women experiencing vaginal discharge at least once in their life is 75%, and a woman who experience vaginal discharge more than equal to twice 45%. Hormonal contraceptive are contraceptive in weak estrogen and progesterone provide feedback to the pituitary gland through the hypothalamus, causing obstruction to the follicle and ovulation process. Source of leaves, Annona muricata contain alkaloid compound, polyphenol, flavonoid, terpenoid, some of which are considered to have inhibitory activity against fuming, especially Candida albicans. The source of leaf pipercocatum contain carbaroid function is as disinfectant and antifungal so that it can be used as an antiseptic, and flavonoid in red petal leaf has the function as antioxidant, antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. This is table frequency distribution of each variable effectiveness of source of L red petal leaf decoction on leukorrhea in hormonal contraceptive receptor in the regional public service agencies of public health center in Tembelang. Before and after. Before is recovered nothing and fully recovered 30, after recovered 23, and not fully recovered is 7. And then the frequency distribution of research variable effective of source of leaf decoction again leukorrhea and hormonal contraceptive a sector in the regional public service agencies of public health center in Tembelang, Jombang in the year 2020 that with treatment source of leaf decoction is after recovered 21 and not fully recovered is 9. Analyze result that a mixture of source of leaves, Annona muricata, and red petal leaves, piperculcatum based on the result of statistically test significantly with a p-value less than 0.001 and 77% effective can be used as an alternative to treat complaint of leukorrhea in women. Source of leaf decoction Annona muricata based on the result of statistical tests significantly with a p-value less than 0.001 and 70% effective can be used as an alternative to treat complaint of leukorrhea in women. That a mixture of red beetle leaves, piperculcatum, and source of leaves, Annona muricata al, contain chemical compounds such as flavonoid, alkaloid, saponoid, tannin, and essential oil. And then source of Annona muricata L can be alternative medicine for fungal infection caused Candida albicans. Contain that alkaloid, polyphenol, tryptophan, acetogenin, flavonoid, and lecithin and terpenoid. The ethanol extract of source of leaf show antimycotic activity, especially against Candida albicans, and can inhibit the growth of Candida albicans. This damage to the cell membrane will disrupt the integrity of cellular component and cause of fungal respiration process to not occur in the end. It results in insufficient energy for the activated transfer of nutrients so that fungal growth is disrupted. A mixture of red betel leaf, piperculcatum, and source of leaf Annona muricata L. The essentially oil from red betel leaf contain flying oil, sesquiterpenes, starch, dietary sugar, and tannin substance, and caffeine, which have the power to kill germ, antioxidant, and antifungal with experientially reduced secretion in the vaginal opening and acute vaginal discharge. Red betel leaf extract is to kill the fungus Candida albicans, which cause acute vaginal discharge and sting of the genital. Source of leaf Annona muricata L contain compound of tannin, phytosterol, calcium oxalate, and myrcene alkanoid. Myrcene alkanoid, which are classified as phenolic compound. Phenolic compound can cause denaturation of member protein. Then this compound can penetrate the nucleus and cause degradation of nuclear protein, resulting in the cell death, in this case Candida albicans cell. Tannin have the meaning of defense for the body, health, repel plant predator, have antioxidant activity, and are effective for antiseptic. And this conclusion of my research is source of red betel leaves decoction is 77% effective, can be used as an alternative in healing complaint of leukorrhea in hormonal contraception, except who experience complaint of vaginal discharge or leukorrhea. And social life decoction is 70% effective and can be used as an alternative in healing complaint of leukorrhea. It is this important to education about the benefit of social and red betel leaves to the public to maintain the health of female reproductive organ in order to avoid degenerative diseases such as cervical, erosion and disease related to complaint of external and internal female reproductive organ. Thank you.